Welcome to Success Nerds, where we empower you with the knowledge, tools, and strategies to unlock your full potential and achieve your goals. Today, we're going to explore the world of goal setting and share some powerful strategies to help you set and achieve your goals. Let's unlock your full potential and start turning your dreams into reality. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content like this. Step 1. Define your goals clearly. Start by identifying what you want to achieve. Be specific and clear about your goals, as this will give you a strong sense of direction and purpose. Step 2. Break down your goals. Large goals can be overwhelming, so break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This will make it easier to track your progress and stay motivated. Step 3. Set SMART goals. Ensure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals provide a clear roadmap to success and help you stay on track. Step 4. Create a plan of action. Develop a strategy outlining the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. Having a solid plan in place increases your chances of success. Step 5. Monitor your progress. Regularly review your goals and track your progress. This will help you stay focused, motivated, and accountable. Step 6. Stay motivated and committed. Surround yourself with positive influences and find ways to stay motivated throughout your journey. Remember, consistency is key to achieving your goals. Step 7. Adapt and adjust your goals. Be prepared to make adjustments to your goals as circumstances change. Flexibility is essential for long-term success. Step 8. Celebrate your achievements. Reward yourself for reaching milestones and take the time to acknowledge your accomplishments. This will help maintain your motivation and enthusiasm. Now, let's discuss some common obstacles and how to overcome them. Challenges are inevitable, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can conquer any roadblocks in your path. Real-life success stories can be inspiring and motivating. Learn from the experiences of others who have achieved their goals and apply their lessons to your own journey. To maintain long-term success, it's essential to stay committed and constantly reassess your goals. Keep learning, growing, and adapting to stay ahead of the game. The power of goal setting cannot be underestimated. Setting and achieving goals can transform your life, boost your confidence, and lead you to personal and professional success. In conclusion, remember that goal setting is an ongoing process that requires dedication, persistence, and a positive mindset. Keep striving for success and never give up on your dreams. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to set and achieve your goals. Remember, success is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. If you enjoyed this content and want more like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join the Success Nerds community, and together, let's reach our goals and achieve greatness. Until next time, stay focused and keep striving for success.